Okay, so in a recent video we mentioned the service grinder running in the background and how that we were actually thinking of selling it.
Anybody want it? If anybody's interested, and it's hopefully local so we don't have to ship it, maybe, I don't know, should we sell it?
Yeah.
Angelo doesn't want us to sell it.
But instead, it's grinding our blades down again. So what happened is the blades that we're getting back from double disking were coming back 2 thou thick, and it's taking a really long time to lap through all of that thickness. So we're using the service grinder to get the thickness down so that it takes less time to lap through it all. Basically, we made it a priority to take it apart and clean it out because it's been sitting around for like 6-7 months without any use, and the ways really needed to be re-stoned and reground, and we really had to clean up a lot of the oil and dust that was in it, but now it's working really well.
Hey everyone, we're here at Grimsmo. We're refurbishing this old PSG grinder, taking it apart, cleaning up all the ways, making sure the lines are nice and clear so that when we put it back together there isn't going to be any stick at the end of the travel, and we'll be able to get what we want out of it. I think this is the first time we've taken it apart to this degree, so there's some time-lapse video we have of us putting it back together, and yeah, you'll be able to see that.
Does it go bad? That's before November 2019. Still
Okay,
good.
nice.
I brought some leftover stir fry from home and I was like, man, it'd be nice to have some soy sauce. I didn't even know we had it. Sup, y'all? So we are getting, finally, a larger fridge. This mini beer fridge has lasted us this long, but we all make our lunches here, we eat lunches here, we now have 6 people working, and this thing is not big enough. So, new one's coming in today. I'm excited.
There we go, plenty of room.
Look at that.
It's in beautiful shape.
Isn't that nice, eh? Voila! Our new refrigerator, our new old refrigerator, has
so
just
nice.
appeared in the nick of time. All this food now is going to
Mary,
fit
you
into
can
here.
go shopping now, Mary.
I have the Costco card.
There you go.
Back in the shop from a week at IMTS. What an absolutely amazing time. I love going there. I love going to any tool show, but that's one of the biggest. Man, I learned so much stuff. I mean, I went very deep and very specific on a few topics, whether it be Swiss lathes or tooling or ultrasonic cleaners I learned a lot about. There's so many specific things and not like everything. There's no chance that I could have seen everything there. But I had an absolutely amazing time. Seeing all that amazing technology and then coming back to the shop gets me super duper pumped and fired up for the future of Grimsmo Knives, for where we can take this, how we can grow it, the kind of products that we can make and do and have fun producing and sharing with you guys how we do it. I'm just super pumped to do all that. So in the shop, things are going fairly smoothly. We have a good flow of work, good processes. We're always working more and more on the process development of how we make the thing, not just what we make. And while I was away, the guys and Aaron kept pushing those boundaries forward, so that when I came back, they're like, hey, I tried this and I tried this, and this is the new result. All right, let's do that. So we're always trying to find like that sweet spot of the best way to do everything, and that changes almost every day. And sometimes a process that we think is totally nailed kind of throws us a curveball and changes. Check this out. This is our Zoom F1 field recorder. I love this thing, except the door flappy broke, and we did that video where we 3D printed more, but they keep breaking too, and it sucks, and I'm disappointed, but whatever, what do you expect? So what I did is just now it broke again, and I got sick of it. So I literally just drilled and tapped for a metric M4 bolt, or a screw. And I don't know if I can do it with one hand, but it is totally possible to just use my fingertips to that and get it cleaned up. But it works great, like super great. Like, how simple was that? I wish I would have done that instead of 3D printed those silly things. But that's okay, that's how you learn. Get better and better. I took the whole thing apart to make sure there's nothing that I was going to run into, but it's totally empty back there. Works great.
Howdy.
What's up? I ran out of things to say. What are you working on?
Knives. My other tumbler tried to catch on fire this time. Tried using the old tumbler because the new one wasn't doing the right things for me. And the old one worked well, but it just shut off because it wanted to catch fire. So the gods are really testing me today.
Yikes. Well, that's all I got for you guys today. I'm actually feeling kind of sick, so I might go home a little bit early today. I'm just not feeling it. I feel kind of gross and crappy and not like talking, so I don't really have much to say right now. But it's Friday, so Friday. No, I mean, guys, I love what I do, but it is hard when you work so hard and then get sick on top of that, and you're like, oh, I don't have the energy that I normally do. It's tough because I want to like go out and crush it, but I'm also like just want to sit down and not do much. So that's kind of where I'm at right now. Kind of a rare place for me, but whatever. Everybody gets sick, whatever. Nice weekend with the kids ahead of me, so that'll be good. I've been putting off ordering round bar titanium for about a lot of weeks now. I don't know why. Stupid. I should just sit down. I know I need a lot of weird random stuff like this and this and this and this, and how much do I need, and how many parts do I want to make, and how much material do I want to buy. So I've been putting that off. It's stupid. I don't know why, but I should have done it today. I should have done it yesterday. It's been on my top of my mind. I should do it right now, but it's kind of stupid. So anyway, that's where I'm at. All right, guys, we'll leave it there. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and keep watching our stuff. Lots of IMTS footage coming out. I filmed a lot, so Erin's gonna have to have a good time of cutting through all that. Maybe if she's crafty, she can clip together like a 5-second teaser trailer for you guys right now. Or maybe she'll just cut this scene and not post anything. IMTS 2018.
You boys just love it.
Woohoo! All right, guys, take care. Bye.
Yeah.
Boom.